This recipe comes straight from our cookbook bundle set. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Today, we're making creamy spinach and ricotta stuffed shells that look expensive but use simple ingredients. This is one of those dishes that feels restaurant level, but it's built from pantry basics. Jumbo pasta shells, ricotta, shredded mozzarella, spinach, garlic, marinara sauce, and parmesan. That's it. Nothing complicated. Boil the shells just until al dente. They'll finish cooking in the oven. Mix ricotta, chopped spinach, garlic, and mozzarella until smooth and creamy. Spread marinara in the bottom of the dish. Fill each shell and place them snugly in the pan. Top with more sauce and cheese. Bake until bubbling and golden. Creamy inside, rich tomato flavor. And it feeds multiple people for a fraction of takeout cost. If you're curious about the kitchen tools we use for recipes like this, they're listed on our household upgrades page. Everything is linked below. If you found this helpful, why not grab our recipe book on Etsy and subscribe for more practical meals that actually work?